how to pin important chat or multiple important chats to the top of your chat section in Microsoft Teams. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can exactly pin any particular chat at the top of the chat screen in your Teams interface. So, as here you can see, currently we are inside the Microsoft Teams, and currently I only have a single chat, but the in reality there are hundreds of different types of chats that we have, and it is important to prioritize the important chats. So in order to ensure that we don't miss a notification from them, the best way is to simply pin them at the top so that they are always visible. So, in order to pin a chat, what you can do is simply hover your cursor over to any particular chat and click onto these three dots that says more options. So, once you're going to do that, you will see this option that says pin. And once you're going to click onto pin, you can see that a new section in the chat has appeared, that is the pinned section. And here you can see that particular chat that you have pinned. To unpin any particular chat, the steps remain exactly the same. Simply hover over to that particular chat, click onto these three dots and click on unpin. So that's how easily you can pin and unpin any particular chat in your Microsoft Teams. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.